po si Amador R. Cabalonga, Education Program Supervisor ng MAPE. Nagbibigay pugay sa Legislative District na buo ang suporta sa Radyo Eskwela sa Isabela.
You are listening to SDO Isabela Radio-Based Instruction.
Learning never stops in Math Eskwela, your school on air.
Your partner in achieving fun learning experiences. Let's listen, enjoy, and have fun in learning mathematics. Stay tuned.
Learning is in the air since mathematics is now on air. Wow! Good morning, grade 7 learners. Welcome to the new normal education. Oh, yeah! This is your school on air in Mathematics 7. I am your radio teacher, Catherine G. Gumaru. Let's journey together as we begin another brand new episode for this week. Oh, yeah! Are you math saya to have another math lesson on the air? I'm sure you are. I hope that today, learning for you will be easy and cool as I guide you throughout the lesson. Oh, yeah! Prepare your pen, paper, and ruler as we walk through another mathinic journey. Okay! Young mathematicians, make sure that you are in your most comfortable place right now for you to be able to listen properly and understand well our discussion. Okay! I hope that you have eaten something nutritious earlier. This will help you focus as we continue another learning episode of Math Eskwela ng Isabela. Oh, yeah! According to Karin Wu, math is the true superpower humans possess. So learn it, use it, make beautiful things and solve big problems. Make the world a better place with math. Wow! Yes, dear learners, you heard it right. Together, let us learn mathematics and make our world a better place. So stay focused and listen attentively for today's math concepts in this episode. Okay! Great! I'm sure you are excited as I do. Kindly clap your hands. I love the energy. Alright, young mathematicians, let us now start the lesson for today. But before that, let us first recall what we have learned last time. Can you still remember, kids? Excellent! Our past lesson was about the different relationships of geometric figures. Kids, can you still remember these geometric relationships? Correct! We have supplementary angles, complementary angles, adjacent angles, congruent angles, vertical angles, linear pairs, perpendicular lines, and parallel lines. Good job, kids! Now let's start with our lesson for today, which is all about determining angles formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal. Okay! I want you to listen attentively as we go through this. Again, what are parallel lines? Excellent! Parallel lines are lines in a plane that do not meet or intersect. For example, the blue and red lines in a blackboard. Can you draw a pair of parallel lines in your own paper? Very good. We have two lines. How about a transversal? A transversal is a line intersecting two or more coplanar lines at different points. How can we draw a transversal? Simply draw a straight line from the top to the bottom that intersects the two parallel lines. Wow! There you have it. Now we are going to determine the angles formed by these two parallel lines cut by a transversal. But before that, let us indicate where are the interior and exterior planes. The interior plane is simply the space between the two parallel lines, while the exterior plane is located above and below the two parallel lines. You can look at your learning activity sheet on page 28 for your reference. Did you have the same illustration? That's awesome! Now let us look at the angles formed by these two parallel lines cut by a transversal. We will name the first four angles at the top as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. Same with the four angles below as angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, and angle 8. Let's try to find the corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are pair of non-adjacent interior and exterior angles on the side of a transversal. One example of corresponding angles are angle 1 and angle 5. If you can see, angles 1 and 5 lie on the same side of the transversal. They are also non-adjacent, which means that they are not consecutive. Angle 1 lies on the exterior, while angle 5 lies on the interior. Can you give more examples of corresponding angles? Correct! We also have angles 4 and 7, angles 2 and 6, and angles 3 and 8 as corresponding angles. Next, we have interior angles. Interior angles are angles that lie on the interior of the parallel lines cut by a transversal. What do you think are the interior angles? You got it right. The interior angles are angles 4, 3, 5, and 6. How about the exterior angles? Exterior angles are angles that lie on the exterior of the parallel lines cut by a transversal. Where are the exterior angles? Correct! The exterior angles are angles 1, 2, 7, and 8. How about the alternate interior angles? Alternate interior angles are pair of non-adjacent interior angles on opposite sides of the transversal. For example, we have the angle 4 and angle 6 as alternate interior angles. Can you give the other pair? Exactly! The other pair of alternate interior angles are angle 3 and angle 5. If we have alternate interior angles, we also have alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles are pair of non-adjacent exterior angles on opposite sides of the transversal. For example, we have angle 1 and angle 8 as alternate exterior angles. Can you give the other pair? Correct! The other pair of alternate exterior angles are angle 2 and angle 7. How about the same side interior angles? Same side interior angles are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. For example, angle 4 and angle 5 are same side interior angles. Can you give the other pair? Exactly! We have angle 3 and angle 6 as same side interior angles. If we have same side interior angles, we also have same side exterior angles. Same side exterior angles are exterior angles on the same side of a transversal. For example, we have angle 1 and angle 7 as same side exterior angles. Can you guess the other pair? You got it right! We have angle 2 and angle 8 as same side exterior angles. Now that you already know the relationships of angles formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal, I want you to look at the illustration in your learning activity sheet on page 29. As you can see, there are indicated measures of the angles formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal. First, let's look at the one pair of corresponding angles. We have angle 1 and angle 5. What did you observe about their measurement? Exactly. Corresponding angles are equal. If angle 1 measures 110 degrees, angle 5 also measures 110 degrees. Same with the other pairs. If angle 4 measures 70 degrees, angle 7 also measures 70 degrees. How about the alternate interior angles? We have angle 4 and angle 6. What can you say about their measurement? Correct. Alternate interior angles are also equal. If angle 4 measures 70 degrees, angle 6 also measures 70 degrees. Same with the other pair. If angle 3 measures 110 degrees, angle 5 also measures 110 degrees. How about the alternate exterior angles? We have angle 1 and angle 8. What can you say about their measurement? You got it right. Alternate exterior angles are also equal. If angle 1 measures 110 degrees, angle 8 also measures the same with the other pair. If angle 2 measures 70 degrees, angle 7 also measures 70 degrees. How about the same side interior angles? We have angle 4 and angle 5. What can you say about their measurement? Correct. Same side interior angles are supplementary, which means that they have a sum of 180 degrees. The sum of the measures of angle 4 and angle 5 is 180 degrees. That is 70 degrees plus 110 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Same with the other pair. The sum of the measures of angle 3 and angle 6 is also 180 degrees. How about the same side exterior angles? We have angle 1 and angle 7. What can you say about their measurement? Exactly. Same side exterior angles are also supplementary. The sum of the measures of angle 1 and angle 7 is 180 degrees. That is 110 degrees plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Same with the other pair. The sum of the measures of angle 2 and angle 8 is also 180 degrees. For more enrichment activities, you can answer the exercises on your learning activity sheets on pages 29 to 32. Now let's have a recap on what we have learned today. Again, what do you call the lines that do not intersect? You're right. Parallel lines are lines that do not intersect. How about the line that intersects two or more coplanar lines at different points? In our lesson, you made it by illustrating a straight line from up to the bottom of the parallel lines. Correct! It is the transversal. Can you now enumerate the angle relationships formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal? Let's enumerate them. We have corresponding angles, interior angles, exterior angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, same side interior angles, and same side exterior angles. We have 7 angle relationships. Can you tell me if two angles are equal or supplementary? Let's try. Corresponding angles are equal or supplementary. You're right. They are equal. How about the alternate interior angles? Are they equal or supplementary? That's right. They are also equal. How about the alternate exterior angles? Are they equal or supplementary? Absolutely. They are also equal. How about the same side interior angles? Are they also equal or supplementary? You got it right. They are supplementary. Lastly, how about same side exterior angles? Are they equal or supplementary? Correct. They are also supplementary. To end the discussion, I want to check if you really understood our lesson for today. You have a few seconds to get your paper and pen for a short quiz. Alright kids, let's have identification first. You are going to identify the terms that will be referred to. Are you ready? Then let's start. Number 1. What do you call the lines that do not intersect? Again, what do you call the lines that do not intersect? Number 2. What do you call the line that intersects two or more coplanar lines at different points? Again, what do you call the line that intersects two or more coplanar lines at different points? Number 3. These are angles that lie on the interior of the parallel lines cut by a transversal. I repeat, these are angles that lie on the interior of the parallel lines cut by a transversal. Number 4. These are the angles that lie on the interior of the parallel lines cut by a transversal. Again, these are angles that lie on the exterior of the parallel lines cut by a transversal. Number 5. These are interior angles that lie on the same side of the transversal. I repeat, these are interior angles that lie on the same side of the transversal. Number 6. These are exterior angles that lie on the same side of the transversal. Again, these are exterior angles that lie on the same side of the transversal. Number 7. These are interior angles that lie on the opposite sides of the transversal. Again, these are interior angles that lie on the opposite side of the transversal. Number 8. These are exterior angles that lie on the opposite sides of the transversal. I repeat, these are exterior angles that lie on the opposite side of the transversal. Number 9. These are pairs of non-adjacent interior and exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. Again, these are pairs of non-adjacent interior and exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. Kids, for number 10 to 14, you are going to identify if the statement is true or false. Again, for number 10 to 14, you are going to identify if the statement is true or false. Are you ready? That's great. So here's number 10. Corresponding angles are equal. I repeat, corresponding angles are equal. Is it true or false? Number 11. Alternate interior angles are equal. I repeat, alternate interior angles are equal. True or false? Number 12. Alternate exterior angles are supplementary. Again, alternate exterior angles are supplementary. True or false? Number 13. Same side interior angles are equal. Again, same side interior angles are equal. Is it true or false? Number 14. Same side exterior angles are supplementary. I repeat, same side exterior angles are supplementary. Is it true or false?
Mari, narinig mo na ba ang tungkol sa online distance learning ng DepEd? Ano ba ito? Ay oo, Mari. Ang online distance learning ay isang pamamaraan kung saan maihahatid ng mga guro ang kaalaman para sa mga anak natin sa tulong ng teknolohiya gaya ng internet, laptop, computer, at cellphone. Ganun ba, Mari? Oo, Mari. Hindi magkakasama at magkakaharap ang mga estudyante at mga guro. Maaaring matuto ang mga bata sa pamamagitan ng online na pagkatuto. Isang mensahe mula sa kagawaran ng edukasyon at ng himpilang ito.
Alright, young mathematicians, pens up. Let's check your answers. Number 1, what do you call the lines that do not intersect? That's correct. The answer is parallel lines. Parallel lines do not intersect no matter how long they are. Number 2, what do you call the line that intersects two or more coplanar lines at different points? You're right. The answer is transversal. Number 3, these are angles that lie on the interior of the parallel lines cut by a transversal. Very good. The answer is interior angles. Number 4, these are angles that lie on the exterior of the parallel lines cut by a transversal. Correct. The answer is exterior angles. Number 5, these are interior angles that lie on the same side of the transversal. You're right. The answer is same side interior angles. Number 6, these are exterior angles that lie on the same side of the transversal. Absolutely. The answer is same side exterior angles. Number 7, these are interior angles that lie on the opposite sides of the transversal. You got it. The answer is alternate interior angles. Number 8, these are exterior angles that lie on the opposite side of the transversal. Correct. The answer is alternate exterior angles. Number 9, these are pairs of non-adjacent interior and exterior angles on the same side of the transversal. That's right. The answer is corresponding angles. These are angles that are non-adjacent, which means that they are non-consecutive. Moreover, one angle lies on the interior side while the other angle lies on the exterior side. For number 10 to 14, you are going to identify if the statement is true or false. So let's have number 10. That's correct. The answer is true. From the word corresponding, they have the same qualities. Number 11. Alternate interior angles are equal. You're right. The answer is true. Number 12. Alternate exterior angles are supplementary. Absolutely. The answer is false. Alternate exterior angles are equal. Number 13. Same side interior angles are equal. So what's your answer? Very good. The answer is false. Same side interior angles are supplementary. For the last number, same side exterior angles are supplementary. What's the answer? You're absolutely right. The answer is true. Same side exterior angles are of course supplementary. So who got the perfect score? Give yourselves a round of applause. For those who got 14, job well done. And for those who got lower than 14, don't worry kids, I am sure you will excel on the next activities. And that concludes our learning episode for today. For you to understand better our discussion, you can read and answer the activities in your learning activity sheets or self-learning modules. If you have questions and clarifications, just contact and message your mathematics teacher. We would like to thank our scriptwriter for this episode, Ma'am Mary Ann F. Madrid, and the whole RBI production team of SDO Isabela for their dedication and commitment in making learning possible amidst pandemic. Again, this is your radio teacher, Catherine G. Gumaru, saying, all is well if you always study well. Until next time, bye-bye!
Patuloy ang edukasyon para sa ating henerasyon.
Sa daan ng pagkatuto ay walang may iwan.
Kaya halina sa Radyo Eskwela!